Hello, I'm attorney Matthew Higbee. Thank you for trusting us to help you solve your financial challenges. We've been serving clients who are struggling with debt since 2009 and have helped more than 100,000 clients, all while maintaining an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. This video will provide you with an overview of the program benefits and important information, so please watch the entire video. Remember, you can press pause at any time. There is valuable information in the text at the end of the video, so don't leave early. If you've not already, you will soon receive an email from me that provides the name and contact information for the attorney assigned to you. We know that financial pressure can take a heavy emotional and even physical toll on people. It's not just our experience that shows us this. Recent studies show that financial pressure caused by debts can have a dramatic negative impact on a person's physical and mental health, including increased anxiety, sleep loss, increased blood pressure, increased chance of heart attack, and even increased chance of suicide. We have created a program that can reduce your financial pressure by saving you thousands of dollars and getting you out of debt years faster than you would by making minimum payments. The program will do more than just get you out of debt. It will also provide you resources and guidance that can help you have a better financial future. Most of our clients have turned to us because they are struggling to make their credit card payments, or they know they're just one unexpected expense away from being unable to make their next credit card payment, which could lead them to getting sued and not being able to afford an attorney. This program is a proactive solution designed to get you out of debt without filing bankruptcy. Our first priority is you. So if you ever have questions about this program or have second thoughts about it, our attorneys will be glad to review your situation with you. This video will primarily cover the debt settlement option. I want to make sure you understand how this works and that you know what to expect. In short, we will negotiate with your creditors in an effort to get them to settle your account for much less than you owe. For our typical client, this means getting out of debt several years faster than they would otherwise and saving thousands of dollars. So you will stop making payments on your credit accounts and you will let us negotiate. You will make scheduled deposits into a dedicated savings account that you own, but we can access. We will begin negotiating on strategically chosen accounts, and when we get an offer that meets your goals, we will present it to you to review. You are never under any obligation to accept a settlement. If you approve of the offer, we will settle the account and schedule the automated payments from your dedicated savings account. We collect our legal fee from the dedicated savings account after we settle the account and after you make your first payment to the creditor. Once there's enough money saved, we repeat this process again until all of your enrolled debts are paid. This program takes time, but it works. Allow me to show you the savings for a hypothetical client. Our hypothetical client has about $25,000 in debt and is charged interest rates that are typical for someone with a fair to good credit score. If the client were to pay $633 a month, which is a little more than what the minimum payments would likely be, it would take 84 months, about 8 years, to get out of debt. With interest, the client would spend $53,125 to pay off the debts. Compare that to what happens in our program. The client pays about $570 a month instead of $633 a month. The client will be out of debt in 3 years instead of about 8 years. Including all the fees, the client will end up paying in the program about $21,118 instead of about $53,125 out of the program. So our program saves the client $62 every month, gets the client out of debt 5 years sooner, and saves about $32,000 after program costs. Every client's experience is different, but as you can see, this program can provide life-changing benefits. Please see the math and the assumptions in this hypothetical in the text at the end of the video. Once you stop making your monthly payments, creditors or debt collectors might call you. You can ignore these calls or answer them and simply tell them you cannot afford to make a payment at this time and that you will send payment when you can. Our services include protecting you from creditor harassment. So, if their calls are bothering you, let us know and we can step in to help. We will be providing you information about your rights under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, which is federal law that protects you from harassment from debt collectors. Debt collectors who violate this law may end up paying you money. We will send you more information about this in the coming days. In the meantime, know that debt collectors are not allowed to do any of the following: use abusive language, call your phone more than once a day, or speak to you more than once a week. They cannot call you at work when they know it is not allowed by your employer. They cannot disclose your debt to a third party. And if a debt collector does any of these things, please document it the best you can and let us know. Here are some important things to know about potential lawsuits. We have handled thousands of lawsuits for our clients. We expect that only about 5 to 8% of our clients will get sued by a creditor. Your contract with us provides for free or deeply discounted legal defense. So if you are one of the very few people who receive a summons or notice of a lawsuit, do not worry about it. Just immediately let us know. Failure to promptly let us know about a lawsuit might result in increased costs to you or worse, our inability to represent you. Our law firm uses an administrative support team that helps our firm by performing some clerical and administrative tasks. We work with them because they have extensive experience serving people who are dealing with financial pressure. Our law firm has trained and continues to supervise their staff. Members of the administrative support team are not allowed to do anything that is considered the practice of law. The administrative support team will be your main contact for most administrative matters. If you're ever unhappy with the service you're receiving, please let us know and we can make the necessary adjustments. Some of our clients will become eligible for consolidation loans. Consolidation loans are offered by lenders and can be used to pay off your debts. If you get a loan offer, feel free to ask one of our attorneys to review the terms with you or explain the pros and cons of consolidation loans. The decision to accept a consolidation loan is entirely yours. We are not a lender and we do not offer or endorse any loan product. This program is intended to settle your debts, save you money, and increase your purchasing power. The program may cause a drop in your credit score. For most of our clients, this is not a concern as their current financial situation is already preventing them from obtaining new credit. Again, our services are about getting you out of debt and increasing your purchasing power. They're not intended to fix errors on your credit report or improve your credit score. However, people who complete their debt settlement program typically see rapid improvement in their credit score once they start making timely payments to their creditors. Please make sure you have read your contract and please visit our website to read more useful information. We're excited to help you. And if you ever have questions or concerns, please reach out to us. Again, thank you for allowing us to represent you. I will leave you with our contact information, some reference sources, and some more key details. Have a wonderful day.